Hello, today we're gonna talk about lift. So we're gonna go to settings, data input and output, and we are gonna select number 3 speeds and number 192 wing lift. After this we're gonna select special and show flight model. And if we press the keys shift 8, we're gonna change the view of our aircraft. The green arrows shown in the wings of the aircraft are the lift generated by the wings. As you can see with the green arrows, if we increase the angle of attack, the lift generated by the wings is going to increase too. As you can see, if we continue increasing the angle of attack, there's a moment where the lift stops generating. This is called stall. If we want to recover from stall, we will have to put the nose of the aircraft down to generate more airspeed until we can recover the control of the aircraft.